Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy a TikTok account safely on Fameswap. So let's get started. So first, let's discuss the steps that you need to take in order for you to buy a TikTok account here in Fameswap. So the first one would be to log into your Fameswap account, or you could register. You can simply click on the button right here, and the registration is very direct. So you don't need a special guide for that. So once you're logged in, then now you can proceed into buying account right here. So the first one would be to choose an account that you'd like to buy. So for example, is this one. As you can see, it has the TikTok badge right here. So that would mean that this is a TikTok account. So from here, you want to click on this account. And then from here, to buy this, you can send an offer here. So if you have the highest offer right here and the seller decides to take your offer, then that is the payment, or that will now be transported into the transaction. So you can send an offer by clicking the send offer button, or you can contact the seller here. So if you have any questions about the account, or you have other negotiations to this account, then you can tell them right here in the messages. And remember that you must not contact the seller in any other platform, or the seller must not contact you in any other platform. All conversation must be here in Fameswap right here, so that you will remain safe. And then you can also see the other data right here, informations and similar accounts for sale. That is also a TikTok account, so you can see it all right here. So yeah, that is basically how you can buy that. And now, how to make sure that it's safe? Well, you can click here on the escrow button right here. So this is basically how you could see on how it works and how you can determine if it's safe. So from here, what you would need to do is to heed the warning first. So from here, Fameswap agents will never contact you by email or from any social media channel. All communication is done on this website regarding all escrow transactions. So just like I said, all conversations must be in Fameswap. And then never send login password by email to anyone. So in a rare case that you do get contacted, you can report it into fameswap.com, and then no other domain or website. So this is the only domain or website of Fameswap. And if you have any suspicion about someone, you can contact Fameswap support immediately on the contact us page, which is right here. So you can contact them right here. And then the next thing is, remember that it's okay to wait and verify everything. If your buyer is legitimate, they will wait, and so is the seller. And now here on how it works. So this is the process of the transaction here in Fameswap. So the first one would be the buyer and seller would agree to escrow terms. So buyer would first send the payment into Fameswap escrow, and then from there, Fameswap or escrow will hold the payment until the seller would send you the information. So as you can see right here, once the buyer payment is in escrow, seller delivers listing information to Fameswap, and then Fameswap would verify it if it's correct, and then it would pass it to you or the buyer. And then from there, you will now have the time to inspect the account if everything is good as advertised and so on, and nothing is wrong. So once you have given the go signal that everything is good into escrow, then it would now proceed to the seller payout, wherein the seller would receive the payment and the transaction is now complete. As you can see, the transaction is very simple, but it's very safe. That is because you have the Fameswap escrow as your middleman in this transaction to make sure that no one will be able to scam the other side or vice versa. So yeah, that is basically it on how you can buy a TikTok account safely here in Fameswap. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.